Length of the visa process for the Netherlands, it's about 3 months. There's no time wasting with this. It's either you spend time or you spend money. Netherlands has an upfront, you understand? Basically, bachelor's program starts from 8,900 euros and above. You need 5,500 euros, you understand? So that's about maybe like, because that's for 4 months accommodation, insurance, books, ICT charges, and everything. So if you add everything together now, maybe that's about 14,000 or 13,800 euros. Then master's degree is about 19,800 euros and above, but you can pay 15k. When you get on campus, you pay the rest. Above all, in both cases, you always need about 11,000 euros. This will show as a bank statement. But the good thing is that you understand the visa process is very quick for this. And you use your form A, you get a cheaper rate, you pay your school fees. So if it's something that you can go for, why not? But at the end of the day, please tap into the opportunities, because there's work and study option, immigration possibilities, job options are there. You can do internships. There are Nigerians in Netherlands not even doing rough jobs as students. They are working as working students or interns, and you're allowed to even set up a business if you want to. So the opportunity is always there. The choice is yours as always. AOC or nothing.